gang, welcome back to the channel. We do appreciate you coming along. Today we're back at Sawmill Branch, specifically D.R. Horton's Freedom Community. Cool little place, great home sites it's going to be in here. But today we're going to look at the Clifton floor plan, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit about it. So come on along. All right, gang, this is the Clifton, and this is the traditional elevation. Nice little front porch sitting right there. The Clifton is just 1,799 square feet. All right, 2-bedroom with a flex and a 2-car garage. Before we enter, you'll see that the house is smarted up. It's got the video doorbell. It's got the numbered keypad, the programmable numbered keypad. All could be Wi-Fi'd up. Okay, I'll show you a couple other things while we're in here as well. All of D.R. Horton homes now are smarted up, I would say. All right. So if I forget to put something like that in the video, then it's just take it for granted that it is. Again, it's a 2-bedroom home. So we're coming into the front bedroom here on the Clifton. Again, very nice. I mean, just pretty good sized rooms. Just about an 1,800 square foot home. It's 2 bedrooms with a flex. So it means that your bedrooms are going to be a lot bigger than if it were a 3-bedroom. Okay. Nice bypass door, standard closet. Instead of having the bifolds, they're using bypass. That in itself is worth good stuff, good money. 3 centimeter granite undermount sinks. Love the brown cabinets. That's a little departure from normal. I do like it. Again, secondary bathroom, so you have the one-piece fiberglass tub surround. In here, I believe this is going to be a coat closet or a linen closet. Nice. Guess you could turn it into a coat closet if you wanted to. I think over here, though, they have 2 coat closets. I'll show you those in a minute. But this is the flex room. Good size. Definitely good office space, reading room, whatever you want, a TV room. Cuban cigar on the wall over there. French doors. Horton's been doing a lot of French doors in there. 2, these are a linen closet and or a coat closet. So there's 2 closets there. Your air handlers in here, but what's kind of cool what they did is they tucked it back. See? Now I wouldn't put a lot of stuff in here, but you do have some, room for storage. So that's pretty cool. Okay. And of course our entry to our 2-car garage, which most of their inventories are going to be coming with, as far as I can tell, is a wash tub in the garage and a 50-gallon hot water heater. So plenty of that, okay? Hope you guys are doing fantastic today. I love the tile, that ceramic tile on the floor. Now, what I do like about the Clifton is if you come in, unlike the Dalton, which has got a little bit more square footage than the Clifton, but the way the Clifton's laid out, if you walk in here, oops, I'm gonna trip over the rug, you don't really see couches this way. You do see them, but you have to kind of get into the living room and dining space. It's kind of a combo space, but it's pretty good size. You got plenty of room. That's a good sized table. And even if you put an L-shaped sofa right here, did another sofa, you'd still have plenty of room, I think. It might stick out a little bit for sure, but I think you'd be in pretty good shape. This is a good sized room. I'll show you that from the other direction. The kitchen, nice counter space. All the appliances, of course, come. Again, I love the cabinet color. I think that looks really superb. 3 centimeter quartz. And then you got that little piece of counter over there next to the fridge. That's kind of cool. Place to charge your phones. Maybe the coffee pot can sit over there. I'm not sure. Plenty of power at the countertop. 2 on this side, 2 there, light switch. And again, D.R. Horton does a good job on their pantry sizes. Most of their homes, unless they're super tiny, they have a pretty good sized pantry. Now they do have the laundry space centrally located, and I've talked to people before. Some people like it, some people don't. I kind of like it, I guess. I mean, it is centrally located. It's got to be somewhere in the house, and it does most of your laundry, heavy laundry gets made right here, so it could work out. All the crown molding and everything. All right, big master bedroom. Again, the tray ceiling. I love tray ceilings. Gives it definitely upscale look. Big king bed in here. So lots of room, lots of good wall space, I noticed. That's a nice long wall space. It's not all chopped up, right? So you got room to put a big piece of furniture. And what's really cool about the Clifton is it's got 2 walk-in master closets. Here's kind of a small to medium, right? Right outside the bedroom or in the bedroom. And if you come into the bathroom area, you got your nice double sink. So again, with that 3 centimeter quartz, nice linen closet. Okay. shut that door so I can open this one. Toilet space, good sized toilet space for sure. That's a good sized shower, and it's got a full seat all the way across it. That, my friends, is nice. Okay, but here's the other master. This is a good sized master closet right here. So you got plenty of master closet. But some folks like them inside the bathroom. Some folks don't like it inside the bathroom. Not that, they're all air conditioned, so it's not going to hurt your clothes or anything. But got a little option there. Definitely got a little option there. All right, and one more thing I wanted to show you guys. You saw the doorbell and the keypad as we entered, but some of the switches are smarted up in here. The thermostat, the Honeywell thermostat can be smarted up, but like this is one of the smart switches right here. So you can see it's different, it's flat. But what I want to show you is the keypad, where they have this one mounted. Oh, I went right by it, I apologize. This keypad, this pad comes with the homes, and after closing, the folks from Safe Haven, who was the contractor for these, will come out, get you all set up, Wi-Fi you up, add packages, subtract things, all kind of cool stuff. You can do everything with that. Smart it up to your phone and everything. It's got a motion sensor over there in that corner, so they can take good care of you and just kind of get you secure and smart it up and anything you want to do. All right, gang, that was the Clifton by D.R. Horton here at Sawmill Branch, Freedom 55. And as you know, right now they're doing home to sell contingencies, which is really kind of cool. So we can work on getting you guys in here ASAP as long as your house is on the market. Now, I'm not sure how long that's going to last, but right now it is definitely a good thing to happen because you'll pay today's prices, not 6 months ago, or 6 months from now prices. So anyway, just want to pass that along to you guys. We can definitely help you with that process and kind of work the whole thing with you. So anyway, give us a call if we can help. We love chatting with people and learning more about what you need. I want you to learn about us as well. All right, so have a fantastic day. We do appreciate you.